Alrighty guys, today we're going to review these pizzas that came from Winn-Dixie. Got the Margarita and the Thin and Crispy Supreme and SE Grocers. So let's start with this Margarita one here and see what it tastes like. All right, it says 400. All right, let's get that started, and as soon as it gets there, we'll put it in. It's pretty small. South Eastern Groceries out of Jacksonville. That's who they are. I don't know if you guys ever had this pizza. Let us know. It says cook for up to 17 minutes. We'll probably wind up eating both of them. Waiting on the oven to go beep beep. But look at that. It's, I don't know, weird. Alrighty. It's ready. Oops. Open up Bucky's. Alright, 17 minutes.
Here you go. Set your time.
Because it's frozen. Alright, and we'll check it out when we're done. Ooh, ooh. Looks good.
Alright.
Let's get the glove there.
Alright, there you go. I'll shut the door.
Did you want to start cooking the other one or no?
Probably. Alright. You gotta get out of my way.
Yes, master. Not bad for thin crust.
Sounds a little crunchy if you ask me.
Might have good undercarriage.
Listen, dude. I don't know about that undercarriage. It's just thick. It just says it's thin.
Okay.
Alright.
Be careful. There you go, right there. You still gotta hold the boxes together. Oh shoot. We gotta put the oven on again.
Let's get it going.
And this one here is gonna be the Supreme one.
Mm-hmm.
It's got a nice set of toppings on it. results.
Mm.
Hot.
Yeah, still very hot.
You definitely smell that seasoning through your nose.
Mm-hmm.
Not bad.
No, it's not bad.
All right. We'll wait for the other one to cook. I'm guessing it's ready. BB did notice on the box, it does say product of Canada. But yet, it's distributed out of Jacksonville, Florida. I tell you, I hate this oven. It's because it's still preheating. Are you serious? Yeah, this one says product of Canada, but the other one does not say that. Okay. Okay, the Supreme one is at 425, so for less minutes to cook. Okay, so now we're gonna wait. This one you can smell cooking. A little crusty on the cheese there.
I don't know what you do to the stove every damn time.
Why do I get the blame? Just
you
leave
said
it. Just leave it. This is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then we can shut it off. I hate technology. There you go.
Yeah, well then that stays on, and then my
It'll
time.
go off. It'll go
Yeah,
off.
last time I had to shut it off.
Relax, dude. What's that seasoning they put on pizza? What was that green seasoning there?
Basil.
Yeah, that other one that we had.
Oh, you definitely taste the basil. The
Definitely
sweet basil.
amazing taste
that was so
of the
good.
basil. The tomatoes really didn't make it that watery because sometimes
No.
tomatoes will bleed
They
out.
were little, yeah, but I guess because they were little tomatoes. But
Yeah,
it was
yeah.
really good.
Yeah,
This is gonna drive me crazy.
just leave it alone. That's why Sean says you're not smiling no more in the videos. Gotta get that smile back.
Good luck.
The goo goo for Gaga look. See, you let the stove frustrate you.
Does not take much. Come on now. There we go. For heaven's sakes. There we go. Get it, I'll get it, I'll get it, I'll get it, I got it.
Alrighty. It's looking real good.
Okay, now it's just gotta cool down.
Supreme. Thin crust.
Yeah, I hope this is as good as the other one.
Yeah, the other one was good. Worth it.
Yeah,
I can't
that
remember
other
how much we paid for it, but it's in the Winn-Dixie
Was?
video, but
It wasn't Winn-Dixie we got it from, was it?
no.
I thought it was Publix.
No, Winn-Dixie.
Winn-Dixie?
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, it was good.
Or maybe we did get it from Publix. Who
I
knows?
don't know.
Who knows? Definitely one of these pizzas is good for one person.
Oh, yeah.
You definitely would need two for two people.
And And if you've got a family, at least 4.
Because they're so small.
They're itty bitties. If they get any smaller, they'll be considered a personalized pizza.
Mm. Bar style. Tavern. Careful, it's hot.
Uh-huh. That's good. Yeah, that's going to be as good as the other one.
Mm-hmm. So, you guys ever had this type of pizza? What did I say it was? Southeastern or?
Oh, no.
Anyway, if you ever had this type of pizza,
Oh, yeah. It is,
let us know.
Dixie's.
Is it?
Yeah, it's the Essie Grocer
Right.
thin crispy pizzas. That is one Dixie.
Let us know what's your favorite frozen pizza. I mean, we used to like Crazy Mike's, but they don't sell it no more around this area.
Nope, they don't.
But what's your best frozen pizza, guys?
Mine is DiGiorno.
DiGiorno. All right, so until the next one.
Everybody take care. Take care of one another. Take care of yourselves. Bon appetit. See ya.